Hi, I'm Frank Harrington, and these are the CHIPS, the Universal Wireless Helmet Audio System by Outdoor Tech. Connect them to any Bluetooth device. Drop them into nearly any helmet with an audio liner, and you're good to go, bro. Here's how it works. The CHIPS will wirelessly connect you to your phone or any other Bluetooth-enabled device. You pair them by pressing and holding the right multifunctional button for 6 seconds, which may seem like a long time, but think about how long you had to wait to get your braces off. One tap on the right ear button will play or pause music, power the CHIPS on or off, or answer or hang up a call. Talk on the phone with the built-in mic. Press and hold the left ear button to skip a track. Tap it rapidly to raise volume, and tap it slowly to lower volume. No more fishing in your snow pants for your phone or pulling off your mittens and brain bucket to tell your ma that you made it to the mountain all right. The CHIPS are some stuff you probably want. So, go buy them and rock out and whatnot.